Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Eleftheria and today I'm continuing working on a collage art. I have already created this part that you can already see, and I have pasted these legs, and I'm working with clipping masks in order to make the background to look kind like these boots. So this is not a tutorial, but I'm simply going to show you how I work. I'm not a professional, so I know that there are some steps that aren't exactly the best as they should be, but yeah, I hope that you will enjoy this short video, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day. See you.